In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Airbnb booking credit after cancel. If you recently canceled a reservation and want to confirm whether Airbnb issued you travel credit, a refund, or a combination of both, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through exactly where to check inside your account so you can quickly review your balance and the status of your canceled booking. To get started, open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website, then sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the same account that was used to make the reservation, since credits and refunds are tied directly to that account. Once you're logged in, go to your account section. From there, look for payments and payouts, or in some versions of Airbnb, you may simply see payments. Airbnb's menu labels can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the mobile app, a desktop browser, or your region, so don't worry if the wording looks a little different. Inside the payments area, look for a section labeled credits, gift cards, or travel credit if that option is available for your account. This is usually where Airbnb stores any available credit balance that can be applied to future bookings. When you open that section, review the amount shown and check whether there are any expiration details listed. If Airbnb has issued booking credit after a cancellation, that information may appear here. Next, if you want to confirm exactly what happened with a specific canceled reservation, go to Trips and select the canceled booking. This is an important step because it helps you verify whether the cancellation resulted in a refund, booking credit, or both. In the reservation details, review the cancellation information carefully. Airbnb will often explain the outcome there, including how much was returned and in what form. If you don't immediately see the credit or refund in your account, the next place to check is your email. Look for any confirmation messages from Airbnb related to the cancellation. Those emails often include helpful details about the refund timeline, credit amount, or next steps. Keep in mind that credits and refunds may not always appear instantly, so if you just canceled the booking, it may take a little time for everything to update. If the credit still doesn't appear and you can't find clear information,